Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to make this hanging plant. This is a string of pearls, and I'm also going to show you step by step on how to make the little tiny flower and a string for hanging this plant. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to see more of like this video. For this tutorial, you will need this kind of yarn. This is polyacrylic yarn in size 3 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. And you will need a glue, a scissor, and darning needle. You will start by making a slip knot. And then chain of 3, then do a 5 double crochet in this first chain, one, two, then you can also yarn over with your tail, so you don't need to cut this one. 4 and then 5. And then the tail you insert in the inside, and then make a slip stitch across this chain here. And this is 1, 2, and make a slip stitch just across in this chain. Slip stitch, then chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double crochet third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Let's start here. 1 double crochet, second double crochet, 3, 4, and 5. Then slip stitch across this chain here. Slip stitch and repeat a chain of 5 and 5 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. I made a 10 strings, 10 pieces of strings. If you want to make like what I do, I made 12 on this, 11, 10, 8, 9, according of if you can make long if you want. And after that, tied up all the tails and attach it inside the spot. And also, if you want to make this spot, I have a video tutorial on my first video, and you can make also this one. I will give you the link in my description. For making the flower, cut a 2 centimeter of white, a 4 pieces of yarn, 2 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter of pink yarn and yellow, and then 8 centimeter of this small wire. And then place this 2 centimeter yarn. Insert this pink one at the middle. Then the yellow. And then the other white color. Then fold this wire at the top and make sure it will hold this at the center. Then twist. Okay, twist this one. Then once you twist it well, take your green yarn and insert right here. Okay, so normally it's the sepal of this flower. Just imagine this is a sepal. Wrap around here, going down to the wire. And then at the bottom of the wire, place a glue so it will be stick here. Then cut a extra tail. Then take your darning needle and just make a like this. And then you can trim this on the top. Then now we will place this flower at the center of this hole here. You see the hole under? Insert your darning needle here. We will hide the bottom of the wire in this here on this side. Okay, so you will not be able to see the bottom of the wire. And then make a knot with this one. You can also use the same color of this pearl, but I'm using this color of yarn because I don't have enough yarn for this yarn. So make a tie here and then insert back on the middle, then cut the yarn. Okay, now we will make this string. This is very pretty hanging string. I'm using this 5mm crochet hook according to the size of this yarn. This is 100% cotton yarn, and I'm using 5mm crochet hook. Leave an extra tail, then make a slip knot. Chain of 1 and 2. Then single crochet in the first chain, single crochet, and then insert your hook at the side of the loop here. This, you will see a loop on the side. Insert your hook here, and then pull through 2 loops on your hook. And then again you will see a 2 loop on the side right here. Insert your hook on these 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat. Insert your hook on this side loop here, okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just need to repeat. Insert your hook on this 2 loops on the side, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Repeat this according to your length of your string on your hanging plant. So I made a 3 pieces of string. So if you want to make it more longer or more length, you can make according to your taste. Once done, make a chain and then cut the yarn and leave extra tail. So now this is what I do, how I tied this string here, right on this stitch, and then I make a knot twice. And then I bring the tail inside. And just hide the extra tail inside this pin here. And also I tied up the tail on the top. And that's all for the tutorial. Click on this video right here. See you on that video, and thank you so much for watching.